What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm so excited for today's video because for the first time ever, I will be trying cosmetic colored contact lenses. A huge thank you to Iris Beauty for sending these products out to me. I'm very excited to try them out. I have always wanted to try colored contact lenses for the longest time. So this came in perfect timing because now I get to try them out. And I also got a couple more little goodies to try out too with you. So if you guys are interested in seeing me try colored contact lenses for the first time ever, then keep on watching. So guys, let's do this. This is what the packaging looks like. Very, very, very pretty and sophisticated. This package came to me in literally 2 days, which is awesome. So let's see what we got here. First thing to do, obviously wash your hands, which I washed them 3 times just to be careful. Okay, this is what it looks like. Oh, they're in here. Okay. So I didn't know where the lenses were at first. Oh my god, this is gonna look awesome on my eyeball. So they're already in the solution. The color that I chose, guys, is silver gray. Okay, they have an arrangement of colors. They have blue, gray, green, browns, all that good stuff. And I just chose to do something a little outlandish that's kind of opposite of my eye color because I want to have fun with it. And I'm a firm believer in go big or go home. And these are FDA approved. I checked. All right, guys, I'm so scared. Oh my god.
2 fingers.
2?
Yeah, because the top eyelid's gonna
Okay,
wash shut.
here we go. James is helping me.
Drop it right on. You won't even feel it.
I'm scared.
You won't even feel it. You just pop it right on.
No, but this is new to me. This is brand new. It's on my eye. Okay. What if it doesn't go on my eye?
You'll blink it right. You'll blink right. Good.
Oh my god.
Put it on!
I'm way too scared. I cannot do it.
I'll tell you what. Look at me while you do it.
No.
I just touched my eyeball just like that. I literally just touched
Why am I
my
having such anxiety? People do this every day.
eyeball.
I don't know what I'm doing. I'm really trying here. How do people do it? OMG. Oh my goodness. Well, this is different. I've never seen my eyes this color, ever. Going to be very honest, it took me about an hour to put them in because I couldn't stop blinking because of my reflexes. Just kept blinking my eyes shut. So I had a lot of trouble putting them on, but that's just because I'm a noob. But once I got the one on, the other one just went right on. So, but this is definitely different. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm gonna take pictures and show my family. So yeah, at first, putting them in, it was like, whoa, I definitely felt them in there. But after moving them around and getting them where they need to be, it feels normal. Like my eye, just my regular eyes. Yeah guys, 2 thumbs up. I actually now, I wanna try other colors. I wanna try a green. I think that'd be cool. This silver gray is such a light gray where it's almost blue. So it's exactly opposite of my natural eye color. Let's try the other couple products they gave us. So right now we got an eyebrow brush. This is what it looks like. I really love their packaging. It's so sleek, it's sexy. So on the one end here, it's looking like we got the eyebrow pencil. And this shade is a dark brown they gave me, perfect. And on the other end, there's the little spiral brush. I have just been recently doing some research trying to find another method to my eyebrow game because I don't really have an eyebrow game. First, let me use the brush. God, when's the last time I brushed my eyebrow? I don't even know. Wow. Are you supposed to see stuff flaking out of your eyebrow? Because I saw stuff flaking.
Exfoliating your eyebrow.
Yeah.
Pent up dead skin.
Yeah. Let's see how this goes on. Okay, just gonna do, ooh, baby. Just gonna do upward little motions. Let me carve it out first. I really love this angle on here. Oh yeah, wow. Right? Right? I love it! The color is on point. Yes, it is. Stepping up the brow game. Oh, yeah. Guys, I've been reading reviews on this eyebrow pencil, and it says that it does stay on for a long period of time, so that's always a plus.
Those look so cool.
Right.
It makes your face look like lighter, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know, it's weird.
It looks like I could put blonde hair, like a blonde wig on, or just dye my hair blonde and it would just go.
It's just such a cool color on you. You look really good.
All right, I'm in love with the eyebrow pencil. That's what's up. Ultra defining eyeliner. Oh, this is what it looks like. Nice. I've been seeing these kinds of eyeliners everywhere, and I have been wanting to purchase one of these, so yay. Let's do a winged liner with it, baby. Yeah. This goes on amazing. Finally, because I always mess up my wing with the gel liner. I love the gel liner, but it just smudges right here, and I can never get it precise. So this seems like a very precise product here. Very precise, went on really, really smooth, so 2 thumbs up, and I will definitely continue using that for sure. So I'm loving all these products, guys. This is a great first impression. If you guys are interested in checking out any of these products for yourself, I will have everything linked down below. And if you guys see anything on the site that catches your eye, then feel free to use code AshleyGaita15 at checkout for 15% off your order. And again, I am wearing the silver gray color, in case you guys are interested in this one. If you guys forgot what my original eye color looked like, I will insert the before and after picture right here. That's the big difference. Thank you guys so much for watching and joining in on this first time experience, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Baby, just do it.
I like keep blinking. It's like, nah, I'm like, keep blinking.
Please stick against your eye. Like, right, I'm touching my eyeball right now.
I'm really trying here. I'm really trying.